Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Review, and today we are reviewing this mini heater. So let's go over some specs for you guys, and if you're interested you can purchase this product in my video description. But this is a quick and simple heat instantly, multiple use, which they all say, bedroom, office, and so forth. Space-saving design, used in various occasions. Local heating, fast heating, 500 watts, which is good. You always want to try and be, I would say 600 watts should be the maximum if you want to save money, and 500 and under is preferred. Fast heating, which is 3 seconds, safety protection, 500 watts again, so it doesn't really go over too much about this system. So I am curious to see how this compares to my other space heaters that I have, and we will be testing out to see how much watts it actually puts out. Wow, that is definitely small. This is the smallest heater I have. So what I'm going to be doing with this one is using this for my desk in the office. Just a simple on-off switch. So yeah, I am very curious. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our voltage meter, and we're going to see if it's truly 500 watts. So this shall be fun. Let's go ahead and swap out our stuff over here. It's heating up. We're at 475 watts, 493. Oh, come on, really? We're gonna hold this out a little bit, guys. But this looks like they just lied. I hate when companies do this. I really do hate when companies do this. It's such a nice little heater, and it heats up really warm. Okay, hold on. We may have recovered. So, the watts went the whole way up to 680 watts, but now it dropped to 492, 494, it's staying at 495, it's 496, 497. Okay, well, 499, 500, 501, 502, 500, 492, 495. Let's see how high it goes. So it's right at 501 right now. It definitely heats up. The sides are staying cool. You don't want to press it because it will burn your hand. It's that hot. We're looking at 508 right now, 510. So the watts are still climbing. 509, 510. It looks like 511, 512. So 511. So first off, what happened was it shot the whole way up to almost 700 watts as it was heating up. Once it got heated up, it dropped down to 460, and then it started climbing ever since. We're at 515, so 515 watts. So obviously the box says 500 watts. That's not correct. It's actually over 500 watts. 517, 522, 523, 524. Yeah, it's still climbing. I'll show you guys just so you can see. There you go. So let's see how we can hold this better for you guys. So this is 522. It's actually dropping a little now. 523. So it's bouncing. right now between 522 and 523. So You know, that adds up over time if you want to save money. But the nice thing about this is it's small. It's very compact. So for a desk or something, it would work out very well. So far, the top is staying cool. The sides are staying cool. The front little panel down here is staying cool. So that's a big thing. Okay, guys, so we're now, it's bouncing everywhere. Well, yeah, it's bouncing back up to 22, 23. So my guess is it's gonna bounce anywhere from 520 to 540 would be my guess. Well, now it's bouncing from 23 to 24, so maybe between 520 and 535 would be my guess. So basically it's 20 to 35 watts over what the box says. So that's a little disappointing, because if you run it every single day, you know, that extra money will add up. Now it's just peanuts. It's not like it's going to be crazy amount of money. So if this is something you're looking for, something small, the only thing about this one I would say is this should be operated with an adult only, because watch, you knock it over, it's still running. Turn it on its side, it's still running. Turn it on the front, it's still running. Turn it upside down, it's still running. So therefore, it's not, I don't think it has any safety features. So yeah, keep that in mind. It's a very simple, you know, you just switch it on and off with that button. There's no safety features. I don't think it even says anything about safety features. So yeah, it doesn't, there is no safety features. So yeah, with that being said, now it's at 527, 528. So it is slowly now, yeah, just kind of, now it's dropping down to 524 again. So it's all over the place. With that being said, it's nice and compact. It definitely puts off some hot heat. So, I mean, it puts off close to stage 3 of a heater. You know, it's hot enough that if I keep my hand really close, it starts burning. So it's definitely more economical than if you buy a space heater that draws like 1,000 watts or more. I would say for the temperature, it's pushing out about 800 watts of heat, but it's only charging 530 some watts. So you're getting more heat for less watts over the bigger ones. But if you specifically wanted it for 500 watts or less, that's not going to happen. We're at 531, so it's just not going to happen. But it does put off a lot of heat, so you're going to be able to heat a room, and at 530 watts, you're still saving money versus the bigger space heaters that have multiple stages. So it's a good desk heater, and I think that's what you would want to use it for, or to use it, you know, at your feet. But you have to keep in mind there's no safety feature, and without safety features, you are opening yourself up to more overheating problems. And if something malfunctions with this, it could start a fire 10 times quicker than one that has safety features. So if you got pets around, probably not a good idea, because if pet hair gets in here, it could cause a fire inside. If you have children around, not a good idea. It's easily a child could easily go back here and turn it on, and then run away, throw it down like that, put it up against something and run away. Now, it might have a feature where if it gets too hot internally, it'll turn off, but, you know, keep that in mind. Now, what is my rating? I actually really like this little heater. So my rating is going to be a 7 out of 10, because yes, it's producing higher wattage than it says, but it's also, I like it because it's so small. It's so compact. I mean, we're talking, it fits in my one hand. You know, if you guys can look, I can grip this with one hand. That's how small it is. It's small, it's compact, it's simple to use. I wish it would operate lower than 500 watts, but it puts out a lot of heat. So I can't really complain that much because it's pushing out will heat a room. It will heat a room that's closed off. So if you're in a bedroom, an office or something, and you heat this up, your room's going to get heated up pretty quickly with this little guy. So yes, I give it a 7 out of 10 because I do like that fact. I really do. You just, if you're in the office, make sure that, you know, it's a place where no pets are walking around or kids are walking around. And always make sure you unplug it. Don't just turn it off on the back. Literally unplug it from the outlet. And I recommend having this connected to a surge protector, not your actual wall outlet, because that way if something malfunctions or something, you know, it can trip the surge protector rather than just cause a fire right in your outlet, which will travel up into your wall and burn your house down without you being able to stop it. So it's my suggestions. But yeah, I actually do like this heater, so I will give it a 7 out of 10 because I really do like it.